Hello friends, welcome to Healthy Kadhai. Today we'll be making a traditional Indian sweet recipe which is Gond Pak. Gond Pak is made up of gond, which is edible gum. Edible gum is very healthy and in winters it is an absolute essential because it is known to boost stamina, health and gives warmth to your body. Gond Pak or Gond ki barfi turns out really very delicious and is absolutely amazing. So let's quickly see how to make it. Before starting with the video, I would request you to please subscribe to our channel, click on the bell icon to get regular updates of a new recipe.
First we'll use gond or edible gum. We need to fry gond. For this we have kept desi ghee for heating. You need to fry gond at medium temperature. Temperature is very important while frying edible gum because if the temperature is too high then the edible gum will burn, and if the temperature is too low then it will not puff up. So you need to fry it on medium temperature. Just keep on stirring like this till it puff up. Do not add the complete quantity in one go. Add few pieces and then fry it. After that, move to next lot. Edible gum is generally used in winter months because it helps in keeping us body warm. Also, it has got innumerable health benefits. It's good for your bones, backache, and even it helps in boosting immunity, stamina and health. Generally, gond or edible gum is used to prepare laddus, but here we are preparing barfi today. Our gond is ready. We'll show you that it has puffed up nicely. Take one piece and press it like this. You can hear that crunchiness sound in this gond, and that means it has fried properly. Next we'll take khoya, which is also called as mawa. I have taken 200 grams of khoya. Now you can either grate it or you can cut it in small pieces. If the khoya is too hard then you can grate it, but my khoya is absolutely soft so you can cut it nicely. In the same kadhai now we'll roast mawa. You need to continuously stir the mawa until the color of the mawa changes slightly and it becomes soft. You can see that mawa has softened up. Continuously stir the mawa on medium flame. Once the mawa softens up, then add sugar in it. Here I have added 50 grams of sugar. You can increase the quantity of sugar up to 100 grams. Keep on stirring it until the sugar melts completely. This is the simplest way to prepare Gond Pak or Gond ki barfi. Otherwise, usually we have to make sugar syrup and then we add it in our khoya or mawa. Now we'll add desiccated coconut in it. Coconut gives a very nice flavor and texture to the barfi. However, it's completely optional. If you do not want to add coconut, then you can avoid it. Mix it completely and keep on stirring it on medium flame. We need to crush gond. You can roughly crush it. Avoid crushing it in mixer grinder jar because it becomes powder in it. We just need to roughly crush it. Now we'll add half the quantity of our crushed edible gum. The balance quantity can be used for garnishing. Just mix it well with our roasted khoya or mawa. Now we need to set our barfi. For this I have used a steel tray. You can even use a plate or a thali, and you can grease it with desi ghee or you can use butter paper as I have used here. You need to spread the complete material on it. Depending upon the thickness of the barfi you want, you can spread it in that manner. I'm just covering half of the tray. After giving a nice finishing, then we'll sprinkle our leftover edible gum. Further, we'll sprinkle few chopped pistachios. Pistachios will make our barfi even more colorful. You can add any other nuts of your choice like almonds, cashew nuts. Just press it gently so that pistachio and edible gum sticks onto the base. Now we need to set the barfi at least for 1 to 2 hours at room temperature. If you want, you can even keep it in fridge. So friends, now our barfi is set properly and it's time to cut it into pieces. You can cut it in any desired shape and size. I'll cut small squares. And just look at this one piece of Gond Pak or Gond ki barfi. It's looking incredibly tasty. Just look at the sides, the top. It has turned out really nice. You have to try it once to know how tasty is this barfi.
So friends, do try out this recipe and let me know how does it turn out for you. If you liked watching today's video, please give us a thumbs up, share our videos with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to Healthy Kadhai to watch more such healthy and interesting recipes. Until our next video, happy cooking and stay healthy.